Hey folks, Timothy Thomas here. Hey guys, super excited to bring a quick video to you. Hey guys, things are happening. Super excited. Great things are happening for 2021. And we want to know, are you in position to make money mailing flyers from home? To make money mailing flyers and postcards from home. Let's talk about it on the other side. Well, hello everybody. Tim Thomas here, guys. Wanted to talk to you about making money mailing flyers from home and or postcards. And today we're going to highlight our friend, the Millionaire Mailer. Folks, this thing has been absolutely a very exciting program over the years, and it's got some more years to go. I want to show you some proof payments that have just come in and show you what is absolutely possible with this program. Guys, we've got a beautiful website that you can get, and we can go from there. But before we get into the video, go ahead and like the video, smash the like button, hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. And guys, do you have a system that you believe in? Do you have a money-making opportunity? Income disclaimer, nothing in life happens until you take action. We've got systems over here. We want to break people free from financial worries. Again, nothing happens till you take action. And you do it over and over again. Guys, we've got vehicles of leverage, vehicles of wealth. In this video, let me show you some payments that just came in. And I want to show you what is possible with these programs. We've created a way you can get unlimited $25, $50, $100, $250, $500, even $1,000 payments with this program. And I want to give a big shout out to our new members that just joined the program. Super excited to have you a part of the program. And hey guys, the Millionaire Mailer has been an incredible program. You can get a website, you can mail flyers, you can get a postcard, and you can join at different levels. And I'm going to talk about this in just a moment. Let me show you the proof payments that came in. I want to welcome a big shout out to Robert. Welcome to the program. Big shout out. So excited to have him a part of the program. Him and Denise. Welcome Denise to the program. So if you guys are watching a video, we receive your payments and we'll welcome you to the program. Here's Robert sent $300 in to join one of the systems. And let me tell you what's so special about this. Robert bought a position and Denise bought a position. Both of them bought 2 positions in the program. They're that excited. So we're very excited about that. Robert sent that payment in right there on the 4th, and here I erased it. I can't find the email from where he sent the other payment, but that's one that he sent in on the 4th, which was, let me see, January the 4th, just the other day, 2 days ago, right there, as I record the video, $300 into Cash App. Okay, and here is the other payment that he sent in on Saturday. I don't know if you can see that. That's 2 separate payments that Robert sent in. I'm covering up his information. But we're super excited to have him as part of the program. And the Millionaire Mailer is continuing to work. And guys, people can pay you via Cash App. They can pay you through Bitcoin. They can pay you through PayPal, Zelle, Stripe, whatever form of payment, cashier's check. And once the payment's verified, they receive a marketing kit. The marketing kit would be mailed to their home. And in the marketing kit, it has all the products and the services. We're going to cover that in just a moment. But guys, I could not be more excited about the Millionaire Mailer. What will you do with all the free time? Live a life without stress and your money problems were over. Guys, we're going to touch just a piece of this video, see what Mary Beth has to say about it, and go from there. We created a way. And guys, right now, we are doing even more things with the Millionaire Mailer. You're going to be pleasantly surprised. We've got some tricks up our sleeve for 2021. And this thing has evolved over time. And it's continuing to bring in payments over and over again. 2021 is going to be a phenomenal year with the Millionaire Mailer. I would encourage you to get back with the person that referred you to the program. Whoever referred you to this program, I would encourage you to get back with that person. Let them know that I'm in, that I'm ready to get started. I'm ready to take a chance and change my life. And that is so exciting. So we've got some great things going on. People are getting excited about these programs, guys. I mean, we've got Cash App payments everywhere. Robert sent that 300 there. The next video, guys, I'm going to talk about, we'll welcome Danny to a program. Danny sent in 500 for one of those programs. That we'll talk about this on another video. But it's just very exciting. People are joining these programs left and right. If you can mail a flyer, I'm going to show you the flyer. We're going to show you the levels of participation. We're going to show you the products, the product that's behind it, and we're going to show you the value and the service. Now, I tell people all the time that if the program resonates with you, if it makes sense, if you see value, if you see products, you see integrity, then you partner with the program. It is just that exciting. This is your invitation to become a part of the Millionaire Mailer. It is a state-of-the-art money-making system. Systems work, people fail. Guys, we've got it down pat to a science. That if you can mail a simple flyer, you can even get the website and you can mail postcards. I've got a proven postcard that will send people to the domain name. They'll go to the opt-in page. They'll put in their email address and we'll take them to the landing page. These are the levels of participation. And folks, there are no tricks involved. You know how much you're making. There's full disclosure, full transparency. You make a sale. They don't send the payment to the company. They send it directly to you. They just need to send verifiable proof that you've got paid. Folks, you receive all the cash to you 100%. Folks, this is amazing to be talking about this. We have the 25, the 50, the 100, the 250, the 500, and the $1,000 level. Now, when you join any of the higher levels, you automatically get any of the lesser levels absolutely free. And that's a great value, terrific value. Why should you be excited? Folks, when you join, you're going to get signed up, and your name's going to go into position number 1. We're going to go down to the flyer and talk about that in just a minute. Look at the proof, folks. Look at the proof involved in this just payments. Left and right, $100 payments, $25 payments, $500 payments. Guys, we've got optional standalone stamp programs. I'll show you that. Here's $500, $500, $500, $100. Look at that. Just incredible, guys. We have a Millionaire Mailer conference call. And, oh, look at Mary Beth. You want to talk to Mary Beth, guys? There's her information. Call her, and she'll tell you about the program. There's beloved Benji. So, super excited about the program, guys. Let's step over here and let's take a look at the $500 level flyer. All the flyers are the same. They're just different levels of participation. Then I'll go back and look at a piece of that video. Guys, make sure you watch the video. Get an understanding of how this program works. You'll be pleasantly surprised. There is no selling. There is no telling, no explaining, no arm twisting. It's either people get it or they don't. You don't chase them down. Let them make the decision. You present the opportunity. You present the information. And it's up to them as to if they want to partner with you. It's just that simple, guys. And I declare, if you put enough of it out there, you'd be surprised what can happen. And you do it over and over and over again. I'm a living testimonial of what these systems have done for me and what they're currently doing. And there is no end in sight. For as long as the world stands, people will want to join programs. And you position yourself to win. Help other people, folks. That's what it's all about. Not about how much money you can make. But if you can throw somebody a financial lifeline, folks, you will absolutely, I believe, reaping and sowing. Okay, when you sign up, guys, your name's going to go into position number 1. And then after you get a sign up, you're going to go to position number 2. These are what we call your permanent pay positions. You will always be on number 1 on your flyer. You go out, recruit 10, 15 people, you're going to always be in number 2 on their flyers, literally forever, as long as they're in the program. Now, if they go out and promote maybe their flyers and stuff, and then you get 50, 60 people on level 3, you will always be in level 3 on those flyers forever. And folks, it's very simple to get started. Let's just use the levels of participation. Again, if you come into the 500, you're going to automatically get the lesser levels free, and that's a terrific value. In order to get started, guys, you make 4 copies, and then make a checkout or money order. We'll get a cashier's check or pay by PayPal, Zelle, however that number gets paid. You can contact them and they'll show you. They'll tell you what forms of payment they accept, and it can be done overnight mail with a tracking number. After making all 4 payments, you're going to receive the products upon confirmation of payment. This product includes a marketing kit, a physical kit mailed to your home. You're going to get a physical kit. Looks something like this, in an envelope like that. It's going to be mailed to your home. It's going to have pill and stick labels. This is part of your product package. You're going to have your flyer with your name in camera ready flyer, with your name in position number 1. You're going to have a report. It's going to be information, an informational report, help inspire you, encourage you, push you along life's way. The report called the mail report. And then you're going to receive not only the leads, you're going to receive information on how to get more leads. The top of the line mailing list directory. Folks, you're going to have complete instructions. You're never by yourself. You're going to get complete instructions from A to Z. You're in business for yourself, but you're never by yourself. And folks, as a value and a service, guys, you can put your number on the flyer or we can close all the sales for you. You will never miss a sale. It will behoove us to close as many sales as we can for you, because the more money members make, the more money we make. It's just that simple. Very excited about that, guys. We have a conference call every Tuesday night. Our conference calls will be starting around the middle of January, after taking a Christmas break, and we're off to the races. Super excited about this program. Now, I want to see if I could show you. I don't want to lose my place here. Optional flyer. It's called a stamp program. Yeah. Okay, here is the stamp program. Guys, for a limited time, if you're watching this video, I'll throw in the stamp flyer. If you come in at one of the high levels, just email me and get a hold of me. I'll throw in the stamp flyer as a bonus. Just say, hey, I watched your video. Guys, when people join the stamp program, they're going to send you 40 stamps. And you can get 40 stamps every time somebody signs up from a flyer that you recruit people off of. Folks, the amount of stamps you can get are mind-boggling. Watch this. Here's another one. I want to lose my place here. Watch this. I wanted to show you one more flyer. Here we go. The 100 stamp flyer. Folks, you can receive 100 stamps every level. Guys, that's powerful. 100 stamps here. And you're going to receive 100 stamps on level 2. TNCL Marketing receive 50. This is what we call the Millionaire Pro Stamp 100. We'll throw that in as a bonus too. Guys, this is incredible value. Let me get back over to my space here. So, could not be more excited about this program. Let's look at a piece of the video, guys, and I'm going to get off the video for today. Super excited, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Oh, guys, if this is the leads that we're recommending Wilson's list. It's incredible. Let me find my way back over to the Millionaire Mailer. Let me go back over here. Hang on tight. This is live, guys. This is live. Hopefully, I got back over to where I need to be right here. If not, hang on tight. Let me see. If not, I'll just see if I can key it back in right here. If not, I'll do something different. This is Timothy. May I help you? Okay, guys, let's look at just a little piece of this video, and then I'll be off. You guys, the video has testimonial after testimonial, and take a look at it when you get a chance, guys. It's incredible. There's me, and let's see who else is on here. Here's Mary Beth. Mary Beth has a testimonial, powerful information. And guys, down at the bottom, you'll see a lot of proof. Mailing a simple flyer, what it can do for you.
work for you. This is an opportunity that you can promote both online and offline. I elected 4 years ago when I started the Millionaire Mailer to combine the best of both worlds, and I have an amazing funnel for the Millionaire Mailer. So let's see what we have here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, this is the first of 4. So you can see here, this is addressed to me right here. And let us see what we have here. Okay, we have a $100 money order made payable to me, and this is from Mercy. So I would like to welcome Mercy to the team, and thank you very much, folks. There is the first in the amount of $100. Okay, here is number 2 of 4. All right, addressed to me. As you can see, that is me, and that is my address. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up here. This is for level 1, and as you can see, folks, this is more evidence that this program produces residually here. As you can see, I did not mail this flyer. Okay, my name is in the number 2 position. This flyer was sent by Cheryl, and as a result, I received a wonderful residual payment in the amount of $25. Okay, as you can see here, we're up by
Just proof after proof after proof. Program, folks, the Millionaire Mailer absolutely flat out works. It's going to be fantastic for 2021.
Another envelope here. So we're going to just go ahead and slowly and carefully open this up. Let's see what we have. Wow. Now this is something I was anticipating from Jerry. This is actually an upgrade. Jerry upgraded. And you can absolutely get started where you are, folks. Get in where you fit in. You can always move up. You can always upgrade. And of course, when you do, you're going to be able to leverage even more levels and, of course, increase your earning potential significantly. Because Jerry now has upgraded. And look, he sent me a money order in the amount of $500.
I'm going to stop right there. Mary Beth just showing a money order in the amount of $500. Folks, the Millionaire Mailer is rocking. We cannot be more excited. There are more things coming. Get a hold of us, the stamp flyer. Get back hold to the person that introduce you to the program and get started. And we're excited. Guys, if you don't have a sponsor, feel free to reach out and we'll go from there. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye for now. Until the next video.